Hi, this is Lindsay Handy, and this is my presentation on People First Language. Words, the most powerful tool of all time. First off, what is People First Language? Well, People First Language is a way of speaking about a person that puts the person before the disability. It describes what a person has and not who the person is. We don't want people to feel like their disability defines them, and therefore we choose to use people first language. Well, disability, what is that? The word disability is really a medical diagnosis which may allow for certain services or legal status. As far as a universal definition, one doesn't exist. And in fact, 1 in 5 Americans have a disability. But why does people first language even matter? Well, because identifying a group of people as less or different just makes it easier to justify discrimination. Our language shapes our attitudes shapes our language, and our attitudes drive our actions. So by participating in people first language, we are ensuring that we're not creating a group and defining them as less or any different. So some language that should not be used that I've previously heard in our building are he's autistic, she's mentally handicapped, she's learning disabled, that student is nonverbal, he's brain damaged from a car accident, she's the one who's wheelchair bound. All of these examples are not using people first language because they are making the disability define the person. So instead of using these words or phrases, I would change each of them to people first language choices instead. He has a diagnosis of autism. She has a cognitive disability. She has a learning disability. That student communicates with her eyes rather than her words. That's something to use instead of nonverbal. He has a brain injury that resulted from a car accident. Or finally, she uses a wheelchair for mobility. And here are my references.